The snozberries taste like snozberries.
Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. It's been several days since we've uploaded any videos on YouTube or any pictures to our Instagram or Facebook account. We're having technical difficulties over here. Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. It's been several days since we...
What's wrong with it?
I've lost the bleeps, I've lost the sweeps, and I've lost the creeps.
The what? The what? And the what?
You know, the bleeps, the sweeps, and the creeps.
That's not all he's lost.
Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Been several days since we've downloaded anything, videos or pictures. We're having technical difficulties over here.
The radar, sir. It appears to be jammed.
Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. It's been several days since we've posted anything, videos or picture-wise. We're having technical difficulties over here. Our computer that houses everything had a failure, and we have it in at the computer shop being repaired. We're still making videos here. We have a new project in the shop. We've expanded the shop. There's lots of stuff still going on here. We're just waiting to get our some word back from the computer repair store to let us know where we're at with that. So please bear with us in our technical difficulties that we are having here. We'll get back to our regular scheduled program as soon as we can. Thank you. Remember, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Thanks.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat.